Are you ready to supercharge your UX design process? In 2025, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. From turning sketches into prototypes in seconds to predicting where users' eyes will land, these AI tools will completely change how we design. So stick around to discover the top AI tools designers are using right now. Hello, MJ here. And last time I shared AI tools specifically for UX research. Link in the description if you're interested. But today I'm sharing 10 AI tools for UX design in general you can use in 2025. Starting with AI enhanced design tools, Figma and FigGPT. Figma remains the leading collaborative design tool, now enhanced with AI-assisted component generation to speed up UI creation. But that is not all. With the integration of FigGPT, designers can now automate repetitive tasks, receive design suggestions, and streamline component creation. Next is Adobe Firefly. Adobe's AI-powered tool enables designers to generate assets quickly, automate background removals, create textures, and perform text-to-image transformations. Perfect to clean up your clients' images for their websites. Now let's move on to AI tools for visual asset creation and optimization. We cannot leave Midjourney outside of this list. From text descriptions, helping designers visualize concepts without relying on stock imagery, making it ideal for brainstorming and creative exploration. Just a small warning, right now Midjourney has controversies around copyrights, so the recommendation is to only use it internally or just for drafts and prototypes. Okay, Icons 8 provides a vast library of icons and illustrations, AI-powered design suggestions, and automations to enhance consistency and efficiency. It could be a huge time saver for those who are not that fast at creating graphic assets or simply don't have time for them. Pixelcut. This tool helps designers create product mockups and marketing materials by removing backgrounds and enhancing images, which is particularly useful for e-commerce platforms. No more wishing your client had an actual professional photographer for their product pictures. Now, I do have one tool for AI-driven insights and analytics, which is Attention Insight. It provides AI-driven analytics to predict users' attention on your design, and it does this using heat maps to help designers optimize layouts for better engagement before conducting real-world testing. So it's basically predicting where users will look in your design before they even do. AI-powered wireframing and prototyping. Nowadays, there are a lot of tools for this, but I want to start with Uizard, which converts sketches or text descriptions into structured wireframes and prototypes in seconds, accelerating the ideation process and reducing early-stage concept development time. This is perfect for those who use all their time for problem solving and have little time left for pixel pushing. ProtoPie is a high-fidelity prototyping tool that allows designers to create interactive prototypes without coding, making it easier to test realistic user flows and refine product experiences. They do not advertise as AI-powered, but its most prominent AI-like feature is the ability to create complex voice interactions with your prototypes, where users can design voice commands and receive spoken responses, making it ideal for designing voice assistants and similar applications. Motiff.ai is an AI-powered UI design tool that boosts efficiency by providing design systems, prototyping features, and collaboration capabilities. It also allows designers to create high-fidelity interactive prototypes very quickly and easily. And this makes it ideal if you have the need for rapid validation. Lovable is an AI-powered tool that helps designers quickly generate interactive prototypes and UI designs. By just writing a prompt, designers can create fully functional design concepts and layouts without coding. This tool accelerates the design process, allowing for faster iteration and testing, making it ideal for product teams and designers looking to prototype quickly and efficiently. So it can create your design and the code for that design. But just remember that just writing a prompt is not doing UX design. So always stay in control of your design decisions. Whether you're wireframing, prototyping, refining visuals, or optimizing user experiences, AI is making the process more efficient and data-driven. If you found these tools helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.